Okay, we're live. Oh my gosh, we're live from the car. It's raining outside. Sorry, it's a couple minutes after 2. Welcome to What's Working Now Tuesday at 2. Today, I want to give you 4 reasons to cancel your open house. All right. This past weekend, I had a brand new listing. I had a brand new listing on the market, opened Saturday and Sunday, went on the market Friday afternoon. Friday afternoon, I had a couple of showings. Saturday, house was full of people, swarms of people. One offer came in. I called the owner and I said, we're going to look at this offer. They said, okay, let's see it at 6 o'clock. People were calling saying, Marjorie, when are you looking at offers? I said, well, we're going to look at an offer tonight at 6. Actually, it was about 7 or 7:30. I had 4 offers on Saturday, supposed to have an open house on Sunday. Well, people were fighting over it. The offers came in with escalation clauses, straightforward big offers. I called all 4 people back. We talked and I said, hey, look, if you want us to cancel this open house on Sunday, which is what they all asked me for, you really need to go way above and beyond. 2 people went so way above and beyond. We got a ratified contract. We had a backup contract. We canceled the open house. 4 reasons, 4 excellent offers that not only came in excellent, but 2 of them went above and beyond because they wanted the open house canceled on Sunday. So I'm going to tell you this. If we waited until Sunday, if we waited until Monday, we would be taking a huge risk. Would those offers be as good on Sunday? And I'm just going to tell you, based on my experience of other offers doing it this way and the other way, that we did the right thing. We sold the house for way above what it probably would have sold for if we had 4 more offers or no offers. We wouldn't know until Sunday. The best people searching for a house come when they see the house is fresh on the market, Friday, Saturday. They're not waiting around until Tuesday. So thanks for watching What's Working Now. Think about if you've got 4 offers on your house on a Friday or Saturday, should you wait till Sunday? I say maybe not. Tell your friends. We'll see you next week, Tuesday at 2.